I don't know about you, but making my first $1,000 online was the most exciting. And today I kind of want to make it a little bit easier for those that perhaps are just starting out and you just want to get to that first $1,000 per month so that you can grow far beyond that. So these are 10 different ways that people are making over $1,000 per month and how to get there as fast as possible.
As fast as possible. This is the key word that I want to focus in on, or the phrase that I think that you need to focus and understand. It's not about faster, it's about focus and picking one of these 10 ways and figuring out which one is the best idea for you. But as well, I want to give you a very simple, very simplistic model, 3 steps that you can use to take the time that you're spending learning all of these different techniques, or if you decide to pick one of them or multiples of them, because I think you're going to see as we cover all 10 that a few of them are actually going to work together if you're actually going to get the best result. Without watching the video again, what we can do is we can dive into ChatGPT, and here you can just see I utilized VoxScript and I said list the 10 ways to make $1,000 online for free from this video, and I gave it the video URL. Then it simply just listed the 10 ways that we can now cover and think about how can we actually utilize our time in the best way and focus on picking one of these that is actually going to make us money. So the first one, start a small community on Skol. Of course, it misspelled school. What it's talking about here is Skool. It's the new community that I'm sure at this point you probably heard everything about, but technically this is not a free method. And going back to the video for sure, just to make sure, 10 ways to make $1,000 online for free. Skol is not free. Well, it has a free trial for 14 days. So after 14 days, if you're making more than $99 a month, utilizing this method, plus the 2.9 cent or 2.9% transaction fee that also is included, or will also be part of the price of operating a Skol community, then you will actually be doing this for free. And as the example he gave, or to be clear on the example he gave, charging $10 per month for $100 members, or for 100 members, or $100 a month for 10 members, this is going to depend on your experience and what it is that you have to provide, or what information or what value you have to provide to the community when you start that small community on Skol. The next one was selling old jewelry and items unworthy. So apparently that's like a online pawn shop. So that's selling your stuff. And then he mentioned this one as well. Alternatively, writing blog articles for websites like copyhackers.com. Not sure how that goes with selling your stuff unworthy, but the idea, if you were to go here, this is a website that is for copywriters or people that write copy. And what they do is they have an option here where you can pitch, where you can show them your stuff that you've written or give them an idea that you want to write for them. And then you can write guest post. And yes, they do down here, as he showed in his video, it shows that they pay $300 to $1,000 for every accepted completed post. Every accepted completed post. Amount at the editor's discretion. Now, if you want to join a group of copywriters or people that are writing, then you need to understand, you need to read, or you need to take time and you need to read books like this one from 1964, Eugene Schwartz, Breakthrough Advertising. I talk about this book all the time, what it can do for you and the things that you can learn from it if you want to be a better marketer, a better writer, better at understanding why people buy things online. Here are 2 books. This was the 3rd edition that was available, or was the one for copywriters from Bob Bly, a famous copywriter. This is the 4th edition, and I hold these up together so you can see the difference from 2005 to 2020 when the 4th edition came out, because now this covers a lot of the stuff that we do here online as marketers, as copywriters, putting together messages, the kind of things that they're going to be looking for when you come over here. And first and foremost, you need to learn how to pitch yourself, or you need to be able to write and craft effectively, or craft an effective message to first get accepted to write a guest post for Copy Hackers and then be accepted into their program and continue to write. So that's the first 2, technically 3, but the 3rd one was joining online business communities. And this says participate in communities like Online Business Friends and Online Business Club, which offer giveaways and opportunities to earn money. These are his memberships, and I'll let Dave tell you exactly how that works.
Third way to make your first $1,000 online is to just be in one of my communities, because we literally give away over $1,000 to the members. So in the free community, Online Business Friends, we give away up to $1,000 per month. So I recently gave away $250 to one of the members of the Online Business Friends. That's like a free community. But where we give away the most is inside of the Online Business Club, which is a paid community, and we do giveaways worth up to $8,000 per month. So for example, if you open up, you can see that this member won $1,000, this person won $500, and so on and so forth.
So effectively, all you're doing there is you are playing the lottery. You are joining those communities, whether it's the free community or the paid community that apparently pays out more. Then you are just sitting back and you are being a member of the community, but effectively you are waiting to win a contest. You are hoping that by joining those communities that you will make some money. So let's move past that one and go into number 4, hosting paid coaching calls. Offer coaching calls to multiple communities simultaneously and charge a fee for access to these calls. This is essentially the same thing as coming up here to number 1 and starting a small community in school. You are effectively becoming a coach, or you are providing value, or you are talking about how people can do something based upon what you've learned and what you've done and now what you're teaching, which brings me to the simple 3-step model that I want to let you know about that will enhance your ability to get to $1,000 a month. It is the LDT model. This is simply first understanding that you need to learn. You need to learn a new skill, a new set of skills, or you need to learn more about the skill that you currently have, or you need to understand that if you have a skill, now it's time to learn how to market that skill, aka things like copywriting and reading this book from Bob Bly to understand that you need to put together an effective message to let people know that you have a solution to their problem. That's the first step in a learn, do, teach model. Now you can go back to this video from Dave Nick and you could watch this video, or simply here, I have the entire list of things that you can go through. Starting a Pinterest account to sell digital products, sell Instagram accounts on social, apply for work from home jobs. Well, this is simply just getting a job, so you don't need much there, but faceless YouTube automation, create and monetize YouTube videos without showing your face. I have tons of videos here, and I'll include those in the description. You can link out to those or watch those after you finished here, but understand that that is an option, but there's lots of things that you have to learn. Google search affiliate marketing. This is just simply writing a blog, understanding and learning SEO, and then CPA marketing and affiliate marketing are effectively the same thing. You get paid for performance, meaning that you get paid when someone clicks on your link. So now let's go back to the LDT model and understand it's a 3-step process, a simple process of first learning a new skill or enhancing the skills that you already have to add on how you can market yourself, or simply just saying, you know what, I have this skill and I do it every day and I want to teach it, which is effectively all you want to do. So you could do what Dave Nick does in his video and what I'm simply doing in this video. You can teach what it is that you do based upon what you already know or what you're going to learn. And effectively, you just need to stack these skills inside of the LDT model. And this is how you should spend your time. You should be thinking, what could I learn out of the video that Dave Nick produced, plus what I learned out of the video I just watched here from Gary, and I can put those things together and I can effectively use my time wisely to utilize this simple LDT model, learn, do, teach, and effectively build an online business to make money or $1,000 as quickly as possible. All right, if you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.